Good morning. Right now, I'm going to attempt to give Kiko a bath. Let's just sit in here, okay? We'll just sit in here for a little bit. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Good girl. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. I'm scared. No. Ow, ow, ow. Hey. Oh no, it's not working. Ah! No, it's so hard.
Weather never too hot. Little breeze is all I need, and off to the races. Watch it fly like a spaceship. You're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent. Fly a kite with our shoes off. Bossa on the boombox. Weather never too hot. Little breeze is all I need, and off to the races. Watch it fly like a spaceship. You're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent. Watch it catch the wind and go. See it sail the breeze afloat. When you're here with me, it shows. I'm feeling fine. Feel the grass beneath my toes. Let the music set the tone. See you smiling.
You've been a really good girl.
You're all mine. You're all mine. You're all mine.
Hello, I am back. Yay! I'm sure all of you were very concerned for my well-being. It's been, I think I have been on hiatus for like 4 or 5 months. That I am entering my 7th month of living alone, and yeah. I don't know, like during the winter it was very difficult for me to want to stay focused on vlogging. I wasn't really doing anything. And honestly, like I low-key had like slight seasonal depression because it was just so cold, and like I didn't have friends. I didn't have anybody to hang out with. My family wasn't here, and I don't know, I felt very lonely during the winter, and so that's probably one reason why I stopped vlogging. And yeah, I feel like I'm entering my 7th month of living alone, and I do want to document my journey and like document what I'm going through. But yes, so I will try to get back into vlogging. I'm in a much better headspace right now. I'm a lot happier than I was during the winter. So hopefully I will have some content. Good morning, Kiko. I have allergies. I have bad allergies. I've been having allergies for like I don't know, like 2-3 months now, and I am so sick of it. Like I keep getting a runny nose in the morning, and I just keep sneezing at work and stuff. It's just, I hate it. I hate it. So today is Saturday. I'm going to be meeting Dion a little bit more north, and then we're going to take the train to Evanston again because we're meeting her friend, and I'm honestly kind of nervous, a bit scared. She seems very, very nice, but I mean, I don't know, because I noticed that like when I meet people, I joke around like way too much, and then like people either take my jokes seriously or like they think I'm rude. It's a Sagittarius in me. I'm 7 months into living in Chicago right now. I don't hate it, but I don't think it was anything special. But I do enjoy living alone. I think it's very fun being independent and like working on your own schedule and like taking care of yourself, like taking care of your own space and stuff. I think that's nice. I do miss my family though. I'm gonna go back in a few weeks. I'm gonna go back to Vegas because my sister is graduating, and so of course I need to be there for her graduation. Can't believe my sister's graduating. Like, that is so weird to me. Like, she's gonna be in college. How is she already like going off to college, man? Like, when I was in high school, I always thought like I was so old, like I was so mature and stuff, but then like my sister is a senior right now, about to graduate, and like she's still a baby to me. It's so weird.
Go with my mom and getting a car soon. Dude, it's so
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough.
I am home now. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I feel like puking. I'm like full. I think it's like 9 right now. I'm so tired, man. So cute. Bro, it's huge. Oh, I can't do this. I can't do this. Oh, I can't do it. I can't. What the fuck, man?